Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are talking about a must-have item for your laundry room organization: the glass jars for laundry room organization. This amazing set includes 2 half-gallon capacity glass jars with 2 graduated scoops and 24 laundry labels, making it the perfect solution for keeping your laundry room clean, orderly, and fashionable. The wide-mouth design of each jar makes it incredibly easy to reach in and grab what you need, while the airtight seal ring on the lid prevents moisture from getting in. Made from high-quality heavy-duty glass, these jars are sturdy, durable, and easy to clean. Not to mention, the attached labels make it simple to identify whatever you choose to store inside. But the best part? These jars are multifunctional and can be used to store a variety of items, not just laundry supplies. From bathroom essentials like bath bombs and bath salts to coffee station necessities like coffee pods and sugar, these jars can meet any storage needs you have. So why wait? Say goodbye to a messy laundry room and hello to organization and style with the glass jars for laundry room organization. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing set today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing organization tips and product reviews. Thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.